Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 start menu is grayed out or just generally non-responsive. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart the process. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa ating Windows taskbar dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang mag right click and then select mo lang dito yung task manager. And dito lang sa processes tab, so kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung start or dito naman sa searching address bar dito sa taas, pwede mo yang i-search. So i-type mo lang start and then makikita mo kaagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito is to i-restart natin or end task. So click mo lang yan and then right click and then i-click mo lang dito yung end task or dito sa taas, i-click mo lang yan mga kaibigan para ma-fix yung problem. So after dito sa task manager and other solutions we will do is to run the start menu troubleshooter. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung get help. Ayan, so get help na keyword at makikita mo kagad dito. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong help and support, so dito lang sa searching ay kailangan lang natin i-search dito yung start menu troubleshooter. Ayan. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung start menu troubleshooter and press mo lang yung enter. And then wait natin na mag-search for mga articles, procedures, and step by step kung paano natin gawin. So wait lang natin. Okay, so makikita mo na dito yung step by step complete informations detail kung paano natin i-fix. So kailangan lang natin itong i-follow one by one. Alright, so nandito lahat yung guide. And then once nagawa mo na dito sa help and support and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to use a registry editor to reset start menu. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then once na-open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK current user folder. So double click ka lang. And then, kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung software folder. So double click ulit. And next step, so dito lang sa software. And then kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Microsoft folder. So double click ulit. And dito sa Microsoft folder and then locate mo lang dito yung Windows. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then dito sa Windows folder, so double click ulit. And then select mo lang dito yung current version. So double click ulit. And next step ay i-locate mo lang dito yung Iris service. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then select mo lang dito yung Iris service. So click one time. At dito lang sa right side panel ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung Iris folder. Okay, so makikita mo dito na mayroon dalawang folder. So kailangan natin itong i-delete. Kung paano ito i-delete, so select and right click. And then select mo lang dito yung delete. And yung other one, select and right click and click mo lang dito yung delete. Alright, and after dito sa registry editor at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix start menu grayed out and unresponsive on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.